Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to design professional pitch decks in Canva step by step in 2026 so you can impress investors, clients, or stakeholders with visually appealing and compelling presentations. A well-designed pitch deck is crucial to communicate your ideas effectively. Canva makes this process easy, even if you're not a professional designer. Start by creating a new presentation in Canva. Choose the appropriate dimensions and select a clean, professional template that suits your brand or business style. Minimalistic layouts often work best for professional audiences. Next, structure your pitch deck logically. Include slides for your introduction, problem statement solution, market analysis, business model, team, and financials. Each slide should focus on a single point to avoid overwhelming your audience. Now, customize the design with your brand assets. Add logos, brand colors, and consistent fonts across all slides. This ensures your deck looks professional and cohesive. Add engaging visuals to support your content. Use charts, graphs, icons, and images to make complex information easier to understand. Canva's built-in charts and infographics make this process simple and visually appealing. Another important tip is to keep text concise. Use bullet points and short sentences instead of large paragraphs. This helps your audience follow along easily without losing focus. Consider incorporating subtle animations or transitions to enhance flow, but avoid overdoing it. Animations should support your story, not distract from it. Finally, review your deck thoroughly. Check alignment, spacing, and spelling, and preview it in full screen mode. Export it as a high-quality PDF or presentation file ready for sharing with investors or clients. And that's how to design professional pitch decks in Canva step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Canva tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.